graduation. This is also a great opportunity for us to thank all the people around the in everything we do. Our teachers, Teacher Susan, Teacher Ellen, Teacher Yemen, Teacher Allen, who give all the patience and that teach and who translate lessons. And to our mentors, Teacher Jordan, Teacher Jordan, for teaching us the great values in learning and confidence. And to my friends and classmates, whom I share thousands of laughter and plays, and to my parents, who are very loving me, and caring me,
And let me be.
let me be who I can be.
And also,
And also to my knowledge for being so supportive all the way. I know she is the one of the most proud grandmother in this book right now. And now looking at the happy smiley faces of my fellow graduates.
say so much. Say so much.
Thank so much of fun and outstanding environment at Super Center for Learning. Looking ahead, having a very strong foundation. I know we and my fellow graduates are very well.
Equip. Equip.
Take on the next part of our educational
Life.
lives, mabuhay my fellow graduates. Thank you so much and have a good day to all.
Yes! Yun yun eh! I love you!
Now we would like to call on our second. Okay, meron lang na tayong